we're headed out to my buddy Tyler's house. We're gonna throw some new air horns on his new 389. We also got to put on some cab lights on the back, replace them with some watermelon lights. What else we gonna do? We gotta knock out a couple other little things. We'll get back with you here in a minute, let you know how it goes.
You blow your eardrums out.
Oh yeah, we are. Let's see if this works.
Right?
Nope. All right. All right. These are the new air horns we got. He bought it. They came back here, but they didn't work. So it's still hooked up to the string inside. So we're moving the air hose from here to the side of the box behind the cowling. We went ahead, we removed the electric solenoid for the air, and we just put an air fitting in there so we could still use the lever inside. So we're gonna drill some holes and mount her up and see how she does. Two, three.